It's difficult to say what highlight we should pick out because this meeting is full of highlights. And I mean, in terms of what is concerning the patients, and this is the most important part, of course, is that there are a variety of new agents which are actually already approved or are about to be approved. And I think we are currently facing a more refined way of treating acute myeloid leukemia in particular, because we know the pathways to target, and there are now drugs available that are specifically targeting those different pathways. So the overall treatment requires, first of all, a very thorough diagnosis, including molecular analysis, genetic analysis, maybe even next-generation sequencing. And then when we identify a certain target, then to select the appropriate agent. So it means that, you know, the diagnostics must be centralized because not small hospitals can provide such a sophisticated diagnosis. But particularly in Germany, we have a good system of cooperative studies where those centralized diagnostics are provided to everybody who is willing to participate. It's hard to imagine really what is going on in 2 years because besides the more targeted treatment, we have also more general approaches like the immunotherapies with checkpoint inhibitors or even CAR T cells. And I think nobody of us can really foresee how this field is developing. So I would anticipate that probably in 2 years of now we might have a session on CAR T cell treatment. Well, acute leukemias actually was initiated in 1985, so many years ago. And that was the time when a lot of things were changing in the treatment of acute leukemias. So we thought that we should provide a platform of discussion. And I must say, unexpectedly, the meeting was very successful. And so we decided to keep on running. And now it's going on for the 17th time, which means we are doing it now for more than 30 years. And I think that's really for us also a great motivation because, I mean, we see that the attendance is rising every year. We see that, you know, speakers, high-class speakers from all around the world accept our invitation. And it's so nice. I mean, when we invite people, it rarely happens that somebody turns the invitation down. And if so, he has a good reason.